looking.
Got someone's cat. Keep this above you for now. For this first pull. That's backwards.
Oh, really? I was wondering if I did that wrong.
Yeah.
My goodness. Now, where do you want to place it on here?
Right where it is. It's good.
Sure you don't want it down here a little more?
Where it is for now. Pull the top out first.
I should just back the car up there.
That's what I said.
Here we go.
Which way should I turn the wheel? Straight?
Yeah. You need to back up to the corner of that trailer just in case the strap snaps. I was just telling him to move over just in case the strap snaps. Okay. Actually, turn it a little more to the right. It's actually a better idea. Now to the right. That should be good. Now just go slow. Whoa. A little more forward. Okay, back up. Okay. Oh,
Shit.
that was too much. You just ripped the weld. That's too much. You just ripped it right out through the weld. Now we're not doing that no more. Got nowhere to put it now. Ripped it right out there and right here.
Okay. Huh. What about this
I
one?
was just going to say we can put it on there and get a little of
Well,
that.
we got that loosened up.
Okay, just come forward. Okay, don't leave it running for too long. You hear the knock things up? Now you need to come closer.
What?
Further.
Or even if you can just hook it into it. I won't pull so hard this time.
Yeah, Grandpa.
Here, hold on a sec, hold on a sec. Okay, there.
Here we go again.
Whoa. Come back. Keep coming. Okay. No. Why do you should turn it back on? Well, I need you to back up now. Okay, come forward for a second. Okay, go back. Well, that just snapped it. What I thought was going to happen with this strap. Yep.
Huh?
Oh, strap.
I thought I snapped the car.
What?
I thought I snapped the car again.
No, no. I tried, sorry, dude.
Oh well.
Oh, I tried to get it around here to get this piece out, but it's too much apparently to try and pull. Maybe we'll try around there next.
Today we need to wait for the motor.
Yeah, top end's fucking knocking.
But yeah, I need to get it like right in here, like you said.
Needs oil, that's why she's knocking in the top end. See that?
Yep. About a liter.
That's why she's not.